So I just stumbled across this list of the top 500 most seen domain names in the Quad9 infrastructure, and it blew my mind.
Wait, seriously? The most seen domains? That's wild. What kind of domains are we talking about?
I know, right? It's intriguing because some of the domains are super popular due to high traffic, but others are there for totally different reasons.
Oh, I get it. Like domains that might have large query volumes from things like CDNs or even antivirus software?
Exactly. It's like they're popular for reasons we don't usually think about. Imagine how different DNS usage might shape perceptions.
That makes total sense. So can we assume that a high position on this list doesn't necessarily mean a domain is more popular?
Right. Some domains might appear because they're just poorly managed. Like, have you ever seen a site where the DNS TTL is just out of whack?
Oh, totally. It's frustrating when that happens. You try to access a site, and it's either gone or ridiculously slow.
Exactly. And it's crazy because that kind of management can skew these rankings completely, like a false sense of popularity.
So you're saying that these rankings might not tell us the whole story?
Exactly. It's like a snapshot that doesn't capture how people actually interact with these sites. That's fascinating.
Here's the kicker. Some domains make it to the list just through aggressive client applications, right?
Yes. Imagine how often those seem to hijack the bandwidth but don't get actual users. It's all about the context.
Right. And it makes me think about how we measure success online. What if we focused on user engagement instead of just traffic?
That could change everything. It would paint a more accurate picture, right? Like, traffic isn't everything.
Exactly. And DNS tunneling, so many layers get involved. That's kind of terrifying, right?
Totally. Not all tunneling models are caught, which means there's this vulnerability. Wow, like a digital Wild West.
That's scary. So we might be engaging with domains that seem popular, but might not even be safe.
Exactly. It puts a whole different spin on the classic notion of popularity online.
It reminds me of how people equate likes or follows with quality, which isn't always accurate.
Yes, because those numbers could very well be inflated by so many factors like bots or trolls.
Wow, so this list of domains is actually highlighting more than just what we read. It reflects complexities.
For sure. It's like peeling an onion. Every layer reveals another side of web dynamics, doesn't it?
Oh, definitely. And just when you think you've understood it, there's more depth.
Exactly. And remember, not all sites are even included in the sample set. That's mind-boggling.
Right. Like how many domains could be flying under the radar. This prompts us to question what we actually consider.
And here's the kicker. If this is just a portion of the picture, what other surprises are lurking?
That's such a profound thought. We're literally just scratching the surface of how we perceive the internet.
Exactly. It's a reminder to stay skeptical and curious about the information we consume.
Absolutely. So what's the takeaway here, in your opinion?
I think it's that we need to think critically about online metrics. Traffic isn't everything.
Yes, and questioning which domains we trust is part of being savvy online consumers.
Right? Imagine if those metrics shaped how we understood our digital landscape.
It's like a new lens for navigating factors we normally overlook. Fascinating.
Totally. I love how these insights challenge our gut feelings about domains and their worth.
And this brings up an interesting question. If we redefine success online, what might change?
That's the million-dollar question. It could reshape our entire approach to digital presence.
I can't wait to see where this leads. It opens up so many avenues for discussion.
Right? And I feel like we've only just begun our exploration into this topic.
Exactly. Let's keep digging and find out what more we can discover. I'm excited.
Same here. This conversation has been such a thrill ride of insights.
Totally. Here's to more explorations that challenge us to think outside the box.
Cheers to that. So much to ponder and explore now.